Welcome once again to the channel. So we are going to trade with support and resistance levels as our strategy. This is IQ option broker. We are having the Euro GBP pair. As you can see, the market is in a very strong downtrend, so we need to take put options in this situation. This is a 1 minute time frame. So first we need to identify our levels of support and resistance. So in a downtrend, we concentrate on the resistance areas more, so that when we get a pullback to that level, we can find an opportunity. So we are having a high chance of a pullback to this level. So I'm counter trending, but I'm very careful because at the end of the day, I know we need to look for put options, but you can also capitalize on the pullbacks if you know how to trade the pullbacks. So I've drawn this support area, which is now a resistance level after it was broken by this strong bearish candle. So the market is in a downtrend. We got support for the first time on this candle, again on this other candle, this other candle, and this other candle. So after breaking the level, it's now a resistance area, but I'm anticipating a pullback to the resistance area before the market could move more down. So again, I'll do a call option because this is a strong bullish candle. So let's wait for this candle to close. But our main target is this level of resistance. If you can get an entry point on this level, it will be also good. So the market gained support here. Still strong bullish candle. So let's see if the buyers can push to this resistance area. So when you observe the live candle, you can see some weakness in the buyer's candle, this live candle, and see the rejections. So the buyers are struggling to push the market up. Now they have entered strongly to the resistance area. So I did a call option here because from this area we got a very strong bearish candle with the rejection from below. After the strong bearish candle, we got a bullish candle, a bullish candle, a bearish candle, then a bullish candle. This is a very good pattern to trade. So after that, I expected the buyers to move more up. That's why I did a call option in that trade. So as I've told you, we expect some resistance on this area. So I've entered late, but let's wait and see the results. I expect the sellers to close lower, though I had a very late entry. So on this other trade, I did a call option because after getting a bullish candle, breaking above this minor level of support and resistance, because every candle forms a level of support and resistance. You can see this area. Let me change the color. It's a level of support and resistance because we got a rejection before the market could break above. So the market, when it broke above this level, we anticipated more buyers movement to this resistance area because this is our main resistance area. So I did a call option again, but putting in mind that our main area to watch is this resistance level. Again, on this trade, we had a strong bullish candle, so this shows that there are more buyers interested to push the market to our resistance level. That's why I did a call option on this next trade. So after reaching the resistance level, this is our trade. You can see this is a Marabozo candle. There's no any upper or lower wick. So a Marabozo candle can act as a continuation pattern or a reversal pattern depending where it appears and how the market is analyzed and the context of the market, because you cannot just trade candlestick patterns the way they are in the textbook. You need to analyze the market and have the logic to trade the candlestick pattern. So in this case, we're having a resistance area, so we expect it to act more as a reversal pattern than a continuation pattern because we are still in a downtrend. You can see this is a very strong downtrend. You can just see by this trend line and lower high and lower lows areas. So this shows you that this is a downtrend market. So the Marabozo candle here will act as a reversal pattern, not a continuation pattern. You expect it to act as a continuation pattern when you are having a strong uptrend or downtrend, depending on the context of the market. But here we expect a reversal in this level, so you don't expect the market to continue in an uptrend. You expect the market to reverse on this resistance level. So after the Marabozo candle, we formed a bearish candle, and when you observe keenly on this bearish candle, it did not manage even to break above this level of resistance, and it got a rejection from the same area of support and resistance. So I entered the market after this candle forming with the rejection and did a put option, and we won the trade. So those are my trades for today. Keep watching the other videos in this channel for you to know more about this support and resistance area trading strategies. You can also contact me if you are interested in a mentorship program. There's a link in the description that you can use. And also, I've been working on a program of which I'll be informing you very soon. If you are interested, you can also join the membership area, which will be coming very soon, so that we can trade together and you can get my insights about trading binary options. You can join the Telegram channel. There's a link in the description below. So keep practicing, stay safe, and bye bye.